Hi and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use this simple business website maker by Mighty Sites. All you need to do, it's only $9 a month and you just log in, start a free trial. You've got a 7-day free trial. There's all sorts of different themes and templates depending on what type of small business you own. So it's already populated with text, images, all of that to make the process really easy for you. So again, this is a really simple business website maker. So let's just say that I own like a contractor business. I would just search for my type of business. So again, even for contractors, there's all types of different contractors, which are all represented here. Let's just say that I am a roofing contractor, right? That's a common type of small business. I'm going to click on that. I'll call this Keegan's Roofing Business. And then I'll just put in my location. Let's say I'm in Raleigh, North Carolina. And then this would be a retail restaurant service. So it depends on the type of business you selected, but a roofing business, that's a service when you build a roof for somebody. So I'm just going to click continue. And I told you this was a simple business website maker. And the reason I said that is because just like that, after I enter my information, the system is going to automatically generate a simple professional website for my small business. So you can see here, it's got everything that I need to get started. So it actually took my name and what I entered about my business, where I'm located, and it actually wrote all of the text for me, which I can easily go in here and just edit. So let's just say I don't actually do shingle cleaning. I could just delete that, delete the bullet point, click save, and now that is gone. Or if I just wanted to add some text here, I could say, this is a small business website maker. It is a really simple website maker, right? So I can just enter in the text, click save, close it, and now the text shows up. Now, if I want to make any edits, it's really easy to do for any section. So I can go to update section here. I can easily add my phone number. So I'll add that in case somebody wants to contact me. I can add my email address. So I'll just add my actual email address. And then I can click if I want my email address to show on the site. There we go. I can save that and close. If I want to put my address, I can add that too. If I want to add my social media links. So we do have a Twitter. And then there's another one here. So we'll add Facebook. All right, so if I save those social links, close, now we've got those included there as well. So you can see the website's already starting to come together. This will, I can choose where I want my call to action to link. So if I want this, maybe I'll just have that link to, I could have it click to email me or call me, or I could have it linked to maybe that lead form section on my site. So if somebody clicks on that, it'll just jump them right down to submit themselves as a lead, which I'll show you again in a minute. I could have the contact us button either go to that same section, or if I want it to just be a call to me or to email me when they click on it, I'll just do it as call because a lot of people might view my site on mobile. Just want to click contact us and call me to talk. Again, super easy and professional to do. If I want to change any of this, so let's just say I prefer to have this capitalized, I can go in here and I could capitalize it like that. Reliable roofing professionals, residential and commercial. Let's just go like that. Commercial contractor, right? Maybe I want those capitalized. That looks pretty nice there. I could even, maybe I'd want to change this to like an ampersand. So that's really easy to do. Save that, close it. Let's just say I wanted to add a logo. So I could go over here to update logo. And I could actually, if you don't have a logo, I would just recommend you go to Canva. And it's really easy, canva.com. And you can just go click on logo. And then you can just search for a logo. So I can just put contractor here. And again, there's all different types of logos. I'll just use this first one that pops up. And then I can say this is my roofing company logo. So I'll just download that now. So instead of paying to have a logo done, you can actually just simply create a nice little logo for your business. I'll go over here now, I'll just browse and upload that logo I just created. So again, it took me like 1 minute to create a logo for my business. And I'll save the logo. As soon as I do that, I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, and then see how it's like got a lot of spacing around it. So the image, I'd probably want to crop that. So I can just click here on this pencil. And then what I'll do is I'll just pull this down like this. I'll pull that up. and then maybe I'll bring it in a little bit so it's not taking up, so there's not so much white space around my logo. And then I'll just save that, click done. And there's all sorts of editing tools when you click on the pencil for your logo or anything else, but just made those edits. I'll save it. There we go. And now I might even make it a little smaller. Now it's a lot easier to see. So now again, you can see I've got a simple professional website that is really coming along quickly. This is a really simple business website maker. As you can see, part of it is because all the images and stuff are already included, but it's also really easy to edit the text, the ink, the links, the images, and just kind of be ready to launch this pretty quick. So if I want to change the colors, I can change the colors just by simply selecting through all the different color palettes. So I can find one that matches my business type the best. And once I find one that I like, and again, we're adding new color palettes all the time, and different ones to choose from. So once you find one that you really like, you can just say, okay, great. I just want a very clean, white background website. There we go. So once you find a template that works really well for your business, you just click save, and then you can go down here. And again, I showed you one of the best parts of having a website is generating leads for your business. So I can go right in here. I'll just type in my name, type in my email, phone number, and then just say, I am in need of a new roof. And then I click send. And now if this is your website for your small business, your customer will just get this little thank you message. And if I stop editing and go in here to the site dashboard, now I can see I have a new lead. So I can go in here, I can check my new leads, I can contact them and close those deals. So that's what the website will do, is help you generate new business for your business. Once you're ready to launch it, you just go here to click connect a domain, put in your domain name, save, and it walks you through the process of connecting your Google domains, your GoDaddy account, your domain.com. Just get that connected and launch your new website. So once that's good to go, you can always go back here and make edits to the site. But that's really it. It's a very simple business website maker, and it's really easy to make edits, really easy to launch your site, connect a custom domain. It's only $9 a month, so it's super affordable. So if you're looking to create a simple small business website, no better place to start than using Mighty Sites to create your website.